A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, we were studying your chapter number 1, that is categories of computer and computer languages. Today we are going to move to part 6 of this chapter. Dear children, today we will learn about the computer languages. जैसे हमारी languages होती हैं हिंदी, गुजराती, इंग्लिश, वैसे ही एक कंप्यूटर की भी लैंग्वेज होती है. नाउ व्हाट इज़ अ कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज? वो लैंग्वेज जिसकी हेल्प से हम कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं सो दैट द कंप्यूटर कैन वर्क ऑन आवर इंस्ट्रक्शंस. दैट लैंग्वेज इज नोन एज कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज. लेट अस सी. First of all, a computer language is an artificial language. Artificial language is a language created for a specific purpose. किसी एक specific purpose के लिए language create की जाती है. When a language is created to give instructions or commands to the computer, it is called computer language. जैसे कि मैम ने अभी आपको बताया था. Like human beings, कंप्यूटर हैज़ टू इट्स ओन मदर टंग. हमारी भी मदर टंग होती है, वैसे कंप्यूटर की भी एक मदर टंग है. इट इज़ कॉल्ड बाइनरी लैंग्वेज. यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन इट. वो कंप्यूटर की लैंग्वेज है, जो मदर टंग है कंप्यूटर की, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? बाइनरी लैंग्वेज. द कंप्यूटर कैन अंडरस्टैंड ओनली बाइनरी लैंग्वेज. Binary language uses the combination of 0 state and 1 state. These two are the binary digits which you have studied in your previous classes. The 0 state and 1 state. जो भी हम instructions देते हैं कंप्यूटर को, it is being converted into these two states. That is the 0 state and the 1 state to create instructions. कंप्यूटर ईजिली अंडरस्टैंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस इन बाइनरी लैंग्वेज. जैसे कि टीचर्स आपको एक्सप्लेन करती है, ओके, तो आपको कैसे हिंदी इंग्लिश आप इजीली समझ जाते हो. इन द सेम वे कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड्स इजीली द बाइनरी लैंग्वेज. But it is difficult for humans to remember the instructions in binary code. So, to overcome this problem, programming languages were developed. अब humans को तो इतने सारे codes याद नहीं रहेंगे binary के. So, for that purpose, programming languages were developed. Computer language or programming language is used to write and develop software programs for the computer. Now these are the two types of computer languages, that is the low level language and the high level language. First of all, what is low level language? Dear children, study the short form and the full form as well. Low level languages are related to the hardware of a machine. Now it can be asked कि low level languages किससे related होती है? It is related to the hardware of the machine, that is the parts of the computer which we can see, touch and feel. It exposes how a machine actually works inside. Machine language and assembly language are the two examples of low level language. अभी low level language के अंदर भी दो examples हैं, that is the machine language and the assembly language, dear children. The first one, machine language. It gives instruction in the combination of 0 state and 1 state. हमने अभी स्टडी किया था जो बाइनरी लैंग्वेज है कंप्यूटर की, इट गिव्स इंस्ट्रक्शन ओनली इन दीज टू स्टेट, दैट इज द 0 स्टेट एंड द 1 स्टेट. It enables program to run very fast without translation. These languages are machine dependent. ये जो जितनी भी languages use होती है, these all are machine dependent. So each computer has its own machine code. हर एक कंप्यूटर का अलग अलग machine code होता है. Machine languages are also known as first generation languages. You have to remember this. Machine languages are also known as first generation languages. Next one, assembly language. It uses alphabets or numeric symbols as binary code, as computer understand only binary codes of 0 state and 1 state. These languages are also machine dependent. These type of languages are also machine dependent. Assembly language are also known as second generation languages. What is the other name of assembly language? That is the second generation language. Next, high level languages. Now, high level languages are closer to human languages. They are easier to read and write. Now these type of languages are very much easier to read and write as well. High level language use a combination of English and mathematical symbols to write the instructions. जैसे कि हमारी लो लेवल लैंग्वेज में बाइनरी कोड्स यूज हो रहे थे, यहाँ पे क्या यूज होगा? इंग्लिश और मैथमेटिकल सिंबल्स यूज होंगे. दैट इज वाई इट इज़ वेरी ईजियर एंड to read and write. The program in the higher level language must be translated to the machine language. We can use compilers or interpreters for that. Now, for translation of higher level languages, we use the compilers or the interpreters. We can run programs written in the high level language on any computer. Now dear children, here are some examples of the latest high level languages. You have to just remember 2, 3, but you have to be very much aware what are the examples of high level languages. Java, Python, Ruby, COBOL, C, Visual Basic, PHP, Fortran, C++, Dell, PI, Pascal, C#, Perl and Basic. These all are the examples of the high level languages. High level languages also known as fourth generation languages. What is the other name of the high level language? That is the fourth generation language. Here are some features of the high level language. That is, it uses the English words and the phrases. This we have studied here. It uses English and mathematical symbols. So it is a feature of the high level language. Programmer friendly, enhanced programming efficiency. ये बहुत ही programmer friendly है. We can also use these types of languages, these types of software as well. Use icons, graphical interface and symbolic representation. इसमें क्या क्या यूज़ होते हैं? आइकन्स यूज़ होते हैं, ग्राफिकल इंटरफेस यूज़ होता है और सिम्बॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन होती है हर एक चीज़ की. सो दे आर वेरी मच ईजियर टू रीड एंड राइट एज well. Prolog, an artificial intelligence language, is an example of fourth generation language. This again one example of the fourth generation language. You have to remember it, dear children. Okay? Next. Now here the small worksheet which is at the end of the chapter. You have to solve it in the textbook itself. But today you will solve only question number 1 and question number 2. Now, what you have to do? Identify the category of software and write in the respective column. These all are the examples of system software, utility software and application software. You have to identify each one of them and you have to write down in that particular column. For suppose this word is an application software, so you will write it in the column of application software. Is it clear to you, dear children? Understood? Quick Heal is a utility software, so you will write Quick Heal here and word here. In the same way, you will learn all the examples. Next question, match the following. Now here also examples are given. Okay, like spreadsheet is a application software which is used in Excel. So here you will write A. Compression is an example. The WinZip is an example of compression. So here you will write B. Then word processor. Here you are having Word. So you will write here C. The remaining 2 you will do it on your own, dear children. Dear children, I hope you are clear with the languages, the computer languages, which meant that the मदर टंग ऑफ द कंप्यूटर, जैसे कि हमारी मदर टंग होती है, इन द सेम वे कंप्यूटर की भी एक लैंग्वेजेस है विच वी हैव स्टडीड द हाई लेवल and the low level. Dear children, please go through the chapter after watching the video lesson. We will meet next time with something more interesting in computer. Till then, bye bye. God bless you all.